Welcome to the Howdy Boomy Show. It's Friday, another fall weekend coming up. College football, high school football, professional football. That's America on a fall weekend. I hope it's gorgeous where you are. I hope you're not either sweltering, getting flooded out, worried about hurricanes, worried about tornadoes, anything. I hope everything is fine. I hope you were together with your family. On Friday, we have the Schiffhead of the week. And certain things tie in here. I have to tip my hat to Senator Dianne Feinstein, who passed away this morning. She was truly a Democrat. I'm a Democrat. I don't recognize the Democratic Party now, but I'm a Democrat. And she was truly a Democrat through and through, but she had the ability to reach across the aisle. She listened to reason. She was a class act. Hung on a little too long, just like Mitch McConnell is. Definitely like Joe Biden is. But I congratulate her family. I think it's going to be a big loss. And now the adventure begins on finding her replacement. With the thin margins that they have in the Senate, her vote meant just about everything. So now with the debt ceiling and shutdown and Bidenomics and God knows whatever else they're trying to do, it's a very thin margin and they need her vote. They need a Democratic vote. And the governor from the state of California is going to appoint her replacement. Now, they had runnings there about in the primary who would try and find her seat, who would run in a primary, who would run in a general election. The man who this award is named for, Adam Schiff, the liar extraordinaire in the Democratic Party, who headed the Trump false bullshit impeachment for collusion with Russia. Adam Schiff himself is in the running. A couple other people are in the running. And it ties up to the Schiffhead of the week. One that for past actions and one that's going to happen. Gavin Newsome, the governor from the state of California, along with the state of California, gets our Schiffhead of the week. He stated a few years ago, unequivocally, when Dianne Feinstein steps down, if he has to appoint someone to replace her, it's going to be a black woman. With Kamala Harris going from senator to vice president of the United States, there is no black woman in the Senate. And Gavin Newsome decided it's his mission to provide one. From the state of California, doesn't matter if you're qualified, if you're a black woman, you're in the running. From the state of California, you voters, you citizens, you don't want the best person around. You want a black female. Is it possible that a black woman is going to be the most qualified? Sure it is. But I doubt it. Rather than going for quality, rather than going for the best, here comes the quotas. Here comes what's going to make me look good. Here comes, I need this voting block to get through here. It's a bunch of crap. Forget the merits. Let's pull the race card. The state of California elected him. You've got $20 an hour for McDonald's workers. You're paying $6 for a gallon of gas. You've got chaos in your state. You've got electrical vehicles coming out of your ears and no place to charge them. What a mess. We need another earthquake to send you guys into the Pacific Ocean. Our Schiffhead of the week, Gavin Newsome, along with the state of California. He for leading it into chaos, keeping it in chaos. Probably the most un-American state in the 50 states of the United States of America. I hope this weekend brings you prosperity. We're going to get to the bottom of the Biden family corruption. You're going to hear the Democrats back them unequivocally. Do they think that's best for the country? Of course not. Country means nothing. It's power. I hope you have a great weekend. The Howdy Boomy podcast on the Howdy Boomy channel on YouTube. Go to howdyboomy.com for great gifts for baby boomers. Helps us keep going. God bless you. Have a great weekend. God bless the United States of America.